the hidden garden. In the heart of the bustling city of Eldridge, where skyscrapers kissed the clouds and honking cars filled the air, there was a secret that few knew. Tucked away between two tall buildings, hidden from the chaotic streets, lay a small, forgotten garden. One sunny afternoon, Nora, a young artist searching for inspiration, wandered through the crowded streets. She felt overwhelmed by the noise and the rush of people. As she turned a corner, she stumbled upon a narrow alleyway that beckoned her with the scent of blooming flowers. Intrigued, she stepped inside. As she entered the garden, Nora was astonished. Vivid flowers of every color danced in the gentle breeze, and the sound of chirping birds filled the air. A small fountain trickled water, creating a peaceful melody that harmonized with the whispers of the leaves. It was a hidden paradise in the middle of the city. Nora found a weathered bench and sat down, sketchbook in hand. As she began to draw, she felt a wave of calm wash over her. The chaos of the city faded away, replaced by the beauty of nature surrounding her. Days turned into weeks, and Nora returned to the garden every afternoon. She painted the flowers, the fountain, and even the occasional squirrel that visited her. The hidden garden became her sanctuary, a place where she could escape the fast-paced world outside. One day, as she completed her latest painting, she realized that sometimes the most beautiful things in life are found in the most unexpected places. The hidden garden had not only given her inspiration, but had also reminded her of the importance of slowing down and appreciating the beauty around us.